What's that, Hannah?
Are you taking a video of her eating her Go-Gurt? She's a good Go-Gurt eater.
Mommy.
Eat your sandwich.
Are you eating Go-Gurt? What color's your yogurt? Pink?
Pink.
What color's your juice? Eat it with your spoon. You're a turkey.
Yum, yum.
I don't know if pink or orange is your favorite Go-Gurt. Oh boy. Use your spoon like a big girl. Turn it the other way. Eat it like a big girl. Yeah, there's Kraft Dinner up in the cupboard. Oh,
Hannah, eat with your
you
spoon.
want Kraft Dinner, Jess?
Nope.
No. Oh boy.
Hannah, eat with your spoon, honey.
Your little ham. Here. Eat with this. That's a good girl. Yay! Fire in the hole.
Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Where are you going?
Bye-bye.
Oh boy. You smell like a strawberry now.
You're all messy. What are you eating? What is that?
What?
No, I don't want to bite. Thank you, though. Say please. Say please. Hannah, say please.
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 Say thank you. Thank you. Hannah. Say thank you. Don't put it in your cup.
No. That's to drink. Not to play with.
No.
No. Have a drink. Are you thirsty? What color is your juice? Red? You have to drink it from the spoon.
Don't.
What a big girl.
Don't. Don't make a mess. Hannah,
Oh.
are y'all done? All done?
There's still Go-Gurt in there? You want Nanny to scrape it for you? Just a minute. We'll put it all in a big pile so you can get it.
Thank
welcome.
you.
Baby.
Baby, yep.
Is Bella crying?
Laying it up for the camera?
She is.
Holy, look at your face.
Eat your yogurt, Hannah. Eat your yogurt.
Wrong end.
Oh, it smells like strawberries.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yogurt.
What are you doing?
She's having a love fest with her yogurt. She does that every time I feed it to her. She gets near the end and she's just like, mmm. Now that's silly. Good to the last lick, huh? Have a bite of your sandwich. Have a bite. I have to tear it apart and lick it.
That's weird.
Does it taste better with yogurt? I make her a sandwich, like, just in case, because sometimes she will eat a slice or two of it. Most of the time she doesn't. I don't know if it's the texture or what it is. I've tried different kinds of sandwiches.
Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hannah.
Say bye-bye, Mommy. Wave bye-bye to Mom.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, that's my gross kid.